and that lift that it gives us will cast more of a shadow and make that area appear darker and fuller. Hello, governor. Hi, I'm Winston, aka The Breakdown Barber. And this is my next video in a series where I am teaching people how to use my product line, Talisman Products, to style their hair in simple, easy ways that are practical, that you can do every day, shying away from like being dramatic and extravagant and focusing more on, you know, like the everyday person who may or may not do hair and just wants to, you know, look good and presentable without putting in a whole bunch of unnecessary effort. So one of the goals of what I'm doing here is trying to take different examples of people who have thinning hair or a receding hairline and show ways to style that work with what they have. I got this idea because I have had a lot of clients who have cut their hair, and then after I styled it, they were surprised at how good their hair could look. The only thing that was missing was they didn't have the knowledge of how to style it. So this video, my friend Jonathan is helping me out. I always do a crop with a skin fade on him. You'll see in the video, he has a little bit of a recession on his front hairline, and the way that we style it, you would never really know. And of course, I asked for his permission, and he was totally fine with me talking about it. And if you don't see your hairstyle yet in one of these videos, I am going to be uploading regularly to add to this series. And each bottle that we sell has a QR code on the front where you can scan it, and it will take you to my Linktree page where you can see a link to go to this playlist to see all of the how-to videos, all of the tutorials using the products. But without further ado, let's get into Jonathan's hair. Hello everyone, say hi to Jonathan. Today I'm going to show you how I style his textured crop haircut. This is a great style for anyone with a receding hairline or thinning in the front. First, on towel dried hair, I'm going to use my Talisman sea salt spray and spray that all over his hair. And then I'm going to mix it in really well with my hand. And then since we have some recession in the front, I'm going to apply some of my Talisman boost powder there. This is going to add a little more volume, and that lift that it gives us will cast more of a shadow and make that area appear darker and fuller. So after mixing all that in, I'm going to blow dry with a diffuser. I'm using it on low heat and low air. A lot of times I use this for curly hair, but you can also use it for doing like a messy textured look like this. And then at the end, I pull the dryer away while I'm blow drying the front. I want to make sure I get good coverage and that all the hair is moving down. And then I'll go back over everything lightly with cold air to make sure it all sets in. Next, I'm going to use the wide side of my comb to lightly comb through the front or fringe for any other hair people that might be watching this. And then like always with texture, we're going to be rolling hair back and forth to get some separation. Here I was just pushing the hair up on the fringe with my comb without actually combing through it to fluff it up just a little bit. I ended up doing it with my fingers instead afterward, just so it would look a little less organized, I guess, but you could do it either way. Some people even like it cut really blunt on the fringe, you know, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, after some tweaking and personalizing, you'll be in business. The rest is just personal preference on how exactly you want your hair to lay. As you'll see in a second, this is a really good way to cover up if you have any receding corners on your hairline without it looking like you're actually trying to do that. But thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share if you like this. If you want to try my products, you can find it in the link in the description. If you're still here, thanks for watching the whole thing, and I'll get out of your hair now.